What's going on, everybody? My name is Dylan. You guys are chilling with Dylan, and we got another unboxing video. Alright guys, what's going on today? Today we have just gotten a package. We got a little early unboxing for you guys. So I had picked this up from Foot Patrol, which is actually from the UK. So I did have to order when I ordered it, because I'm a size 11.5 US. So I had to order a 10.5. I guess that's the size comparison. So as you can see here, right on the label, we got that 11.5, UK 10.5. That's the equivalent, and you get a little sneak peek right there, that Gore-Tex. So this pair of shoes is releasing next week, I believe May 24th or 25th, one of those days. I had ordered this probably about 2 weeks ago now. I had saw that they had them posted online. And you had to do like the conversion or whatever. So this, I believe, retails at $200. I think I paid literally $208 after taxes and whatever the shipping was and stuff like that. So really, like, basically retail. I paid retail for this shoe coming from the UK. I mean, I thought it would have been a lot more to ship something like that, but I guess not. Not in my case, at least. So let's put this up here. As you can tell, we got a Jordan 1 box. And let's do the reveal. Bam! Bam! Right here. Look at these guys. Man. Oh, man. So, yes, I got the part of the Gore-Tex pack. I did end up picking this shoe up right here, guys. So, this one is the Air Jordan 1 Retro Element. I believe that this whole pack is called the Element Pack. And this is the light curry colorway. They also have the particle gray. They have that white and sail. And they also have a berry that is also unreleased yet. So getting right into this shoe, man. This shoe is beautiful. I know a lot of people aren't a fan of that silver reflective 3M swoosh right here. To be honest, it doesn't bother me at all. I think this shoe is so clean, man. This material, by the way, so the Gore-Tex, this whole thing is a waterproof Air Jordan 1. You can see right here. Got that tag as well. It comes with the tag, that Gore-Tex. It is literally a fully waterproof Air Jordan 1. You don't have to spray no water repellent or nothing on these. It's basically like in that fabric. Because it's not leather, or maybe it is a form of leather, I'm not too sure, but if you guys have ever felt this, it's a very soft, almost like a suede. Honestly, you can kind of see it does have a suede element right there, but I don't believe it is suede. I think it's like it might be like a treated nubuck or something, but it's so soft. I mean, look at this. Oh, got the tag in the way. Hold on one second. Right here, Look how soft this is. I mean, this up here, this leather or nubuck or suede or whatever it is, that treated material is so super soft. These things, I put these on feet. They run true to size, by the way. So they do run true to size. So if you guys are looking to pick these up on the sneakers app next week, they do run true to size. Whatever size that you guys are in an Air Jordan 1, just go with that again. You can see it on the back, the bottom, the outsole right here. Look at that. So this pack, they do have these different elements right here on the outsole. This is like a translucent, but then it goes to that standard, rubber outsole. But man, does this look clean. I don't know on this camera, because I just use a webcam right now. But on this camera, if you can tell that color. I mean, this color is such a clean color, man. And then we got the back right here, but that color, man, there's something about it. It just flows so well with this shoe. You got that Wings logo right there in that silver, and then also down below you can see that Gore-Tex branded logo right there. But man, these things are so clean, bro. Like, yeah, let me just bring this up really quick to the camera so y'all can see this right here. You see that? Trying to focus in. There we go, on that toe box. You can see how this is a different material. It's like that waterproof material. I have the shoe, paper in here, so obviously it's not going to show. It's going to look like it's kind of hard, but it's not. It's a very soft material. But it's like, I don't know if you can hear it. It's that treated material as well on that toe cap, toe box right there. And it's got like that perforations, but the perforations are not cut out obviously on these like they are in the leather pairs. It's got to be waterproof, as well as open up this a little bit so you can see that liner. You can see on the back that inside a liner back there is also like that mesh waterproof material that is on the side panels right here. So that side panel you can see is also that like treated waterproof material, and that's also inside on the liner, man. But I tell you, these things are super padded. They are a little bit taller than your standard Air Jordan 1 as well. They're a little bit taller, a little bit more padding. So man, these things are, I love these things. I love how they came out. I love the color blocking. You got that red hit right there, and on this pack, the top of the you know how like in the back the lettering is always normally on the inside back here. What they kind of did is fold it over a little bit, so the actual you know, tag right here is a little bit lower down on the shoe, so you can actually read, you know, quality inspired. Nike and the swoosh name and stripe are trademarks and your guarantee of quality. Swoosh trademark, and then it goes through made in China, whatever. But man, bro, these things are so clean. That light curry on the outside right there. Let me go grab, I do have the particle gray from this pack as well. Let me go grab that real quick. Alrighty guys, so I just grabbed my other pair that is from this pack as well, the particle gray one. It's like that dark, I don't even know what you call this. I don't know what kind. It's like a greenish, tealish, bluish hue. It's a very weird color. It does look cool though. These are I have worn these, as you can tell. I laced them up. Actually, I might have not even worn these. I might have just tried these on. Yeah, just look at the tag in here. I think I just tried these on. Never even worn. But yeah, man, it's the same material. This is a size 12. I think that's why I haven't worn it. This is actually a size 12, so I'm an 11.5. This size 12 fits a little bit too big on me in the Jordan 1, so that's why I haven't worn it. Maybe, you know what? If you guys know, if you guys that are watching, anybody has this or the white and sail from this pack that has an 11.5, is willing to either trade or do something like that, let me know, because I most likely will not wear this shoe just because it's a little bit too big. Obviously I can fit in there. It's just gonna be, you know, a little bit too uncomfortable. But anyway, this is that same concept. It's the same exact, those tags out of the way, same exact concept, same pack. It's just this is the different color. This is the brand new color. So yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think about these things, man. I absolutely love these. I love the color. Like I said, the camera may not do it justice, because like I said, I am working off a webcam right now. I do want to invest in a better camera, so that may be coming down the line, but for right now we gotta work with what we got. So anyway, yeah, like I said, let me know what you think. Do you guys like this pack? Do you like the Gore-Tex idea? Is it not something for you? I don't know why these things aren't that hyped up, man. They look the rookie of the years. They literally kind of look like the rookie of the years. If you guys, I'll pull up an image on the screen right now of the rookie of the years. But bro, these things, man, these things hit different. They really, really do. I love them. I absolutely love this. I'm so happy I grabbed these. So yeah, guys, that's gonna do it for me. That's gonna do it for this this unboxing. A little bit of early preview for you guys about this shoe. I may do like an on foot or something like that down the line with these things. If you guys want to see that, let me know down in the comments below. And other than that, guys, if you did enjoy this video, please smash that thumbs up, as well as turn the notifications on, and please subscribe to the channel. I am going to be posting a lot more, so make sure that you guys subscribe, turn on those notifications so you never miss another video. And that's going to do it for me, guys. My name is Dylan. You guys just chill with Dill, and I'm out. Peace.